Hello and welcome to today's caravan chat, or campervan chat I should say, not caravan. I'm probably thinking of where I'm going, which is Caravan Salon, which is held at the end of August, first week of September. Well, I'm sort of on my way there, but I'm always on my way somewhere, and that's not for some time yet. In fact, it's now the middle of June. I'm in the field, and one of us here is absolutely exhausted, and that one is unable to walk any further. Now, yesterday I got an interesting question, which is the following: can you negotiate with motorhome manufacturers on the price? Well, manufacturers, no, you can't negotiate on the price, but with the dealers you probably can. Sorry, the manufacturer could negotiate with a small one. And the question appeared on a video for a Bürstner van, which was around 70,000 euros, 70,000 pounds. It might make so much difference for what I've got to say, because the margin the dealer will get will be very approximately 18%. And that is to cover all the costs and all the rest of it. And the dealers are expected by the manufacturers to actually give a discount to anybody who wants one. But in the current circumstances, where there is such a long waiting time, yeah, at least even now they'll give it to you. But if you want a van that's in stock, there's no way a manufacturer will give you a discount. I mean, that's got to stand to reason. That's what they've got to show people, and they can sell it to somebody else without the. So I mean, you know, it's try. I mean, there's only one. This is how capitalism works. You can make an offer, and you can try if you want. It may work, it may not work, but you certainly can negotiate. But bear in mind that these the dealers, they've got costs of their own. They've got the premises to keep up. They've got the staff. They've got all sorts of things. So in these circumstances, I would say that you know, you could possibly get, you know, they might split the commission with you, their margin with you. You might get 9%, for example. They might offer you extra things like solar panels, maybe lithium batteries, something like that. They may have other suppliers for all these things, and rather than give you the Bürstner price for the solar panels, I might have a better deal with somebody else, something along those lines. So certainly, yes, you can try, but bear in mind the waiting time. As far as used vehicles are concerned, also there is whereas the cost's gone up quite enormously. In fact, I did see somebody who traded in their used motorhome, and the dealer had it up for a price greater what they paid for it a couple of years ago. But that is how the system works. That is the capitalist system. There's a lot of demand at the moment, supply and demand. So when there's a situation where the supply exceeds the demand, then you're going to get far better agreements. Right, so I'm looking after another dog as well here. It's coming up now. In my care. This one here, though, is in a lot fitter state than Tosha is, so I'm going to sort of make my way out of this field. It's 6:30 in the morning. Oh dear, look at this. She's about to lie down. It's her fault we came this far. She wanted to do it. I tried to get her to turn back several times, and now she's totally exhausted. Well, I suppose at your age that you're at, you're nowhere near as old as she is, and if we take seven dog year, one human year being 7 dog years, that puts her at well over 100. She is now 14 and a half, in fact 14 and 8 months. So of a breed, or half of her breed only lives 8 years. The other half we don't really know what it is, but she's Japanese fighting dogs live about half 8 years, something like that. So that's only half of what she is. The rest we don't know. Okay, anyway, so I hope I've answered the question about the negotiations, and thanks very much for watching.